because otherwise the lockout wouldn't fit.
Yeah.
Or that's using the other.
This is the whole break.
And that's not even
What's going on with this guy?
Just to see.
with the, I don't know, but don't worry about the aesthetics of it at this point.
Did you make the questions?
No, but I enjoyed it.
So obviously, it looks like there's a lot left that is needing to be done in terms of track. But once we get the final supports placed, all we have to do is lay this track on here and attach it. So I want the whole track layout done today. Is the short answer. So the best way to do it is to hold it on there and then stick the stick in on the side. So yeah. All right. Anyway, I'll stop talking. I'm so sorry. Thank you all for being here tonight, and I'm gonna figure out how to get that last support and those last two track pieces to us. All right, cool. Break.
Too bad that I asked you.
I would say probably somewhere over 400.
400 man hours?
Yeah, because I've spent at least 250. So definitely, and other people put a lot of time into this as well. So over 400 for sure, if not more than that.
Probably like 500 maybe.
Yeah, probably like 500 because we spent a lot of time in SolidWorks and like I mean I put it in like a good a good 5 today. So count that, tally that up.
Easy 500.
Easy 500 if you just do 5 every day. But yeah, no, there's a lot of people involved in the project and they're very committed. So it sounds like quite a bit. But when you have so many people who are so committed, it really alleviates it from one individual. So yeah.
I pushed it to 10.
I'm happy we did the side text. That gives a little bit of freedom.
Wait,
That was the
what
point.
did you
Yeah.
guys do?
Really bad.
No, that's not good at all.
My team are assembling our brake run model, so I'm gluing the magnets onto the calipers for the brake run, and Rohan is gluing the aluminum onto the chassis.
You guys are doing those already?
Yeah, we're gluing these right now.
Oh, nice.
The magnets are ready, so hopefully this will stop the train at the end of the track.
Let's hear it, because I want to get this guy on. Low key. Okay, are we ready?
Yep.
Someone gonna stop that?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Let's go.
Really?
No, remember?
I think
Basically, with the
it's getting
longer the
worse.
train, the center of gravity is going to be lower, so it's going to be going faster when it's actually all the way up there.
Random came in.
I'm very proud.
I knew it was something.
I can't get
Driving
out
this
of my
up.
hands.
So currently, me and my team are building the bogies to the lower chassis. These bogies look like this. They are the assembly that goes onto the actual lower chassis and has the wheels that allow the train to go around the track.
All right, guys, that's good.
Okay.
Oh god.
What do we got?
Nice.
That one right there, right?
Oh,
What are you trying to do?
So working on the support structure, basically what we did is we took off the head plate of the track and then we would draw a series of lines down to the base and then we would sweep them and then add more head plates and kind of repeat that process all the way down. And it was kind of a geometry act of balancing like where the forces would be best maximizing the support of the structure and like distributing the loads. So that's how we did the supports.
Over here that are really bad.
I feel like
I don't know if you can really sand this down.
it probably is. Good? Yep.
Okay, pull that sliver off before I keep going.
sliver?
Yeah.
Just pull that off.
Whoa.
We'll pull
Oh,
that
yeah,
off.
yeah, okay.
Which sliver?
It's one of them's a sliver and one of them's
okay.
two.
Stand down these corners.
I want to make sure that it stays of high quality the whole time. Let it drop from right there.
Right here?
Let it drop from up there.
Hold on.
you're gonna let it drop.
Yeah, it's
I'm stopping it where my hand is.
it's fine. What do you think, Brent?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you see how it's like pushing up and this cross ties like...
Oh, that's so bad. Is that cross tie coming out?
Okay,
That's
fine.
fine.
I don't know, dude.
Yeah, it's gonna be close.
It's been a great experience for me being a leader. I feel like that one of the most important and impactful things I've been able to do was work with others and lead them and kind of give them the support they need. Definitely talking through different manufacturing processes, how to design for manufacturability, and kind of being able to guide these people and help them to become more responsible and take the leadership and to have the leadership experience so that they can carry this project on moving forward. I also really liked, being part of the design process a little bit, being able to put my own input and seeing it actually work most of the time. Obviously, you run into some mistakes and do some things wrong, but it is nice to see that hard work does pay off and that a lot of the members of this team have put in a lot of hard work and that it is all paying off and that, God willing, this will get done soon and it will work.
Cut track, put it on the track. Cut the tubing and put it on the track. Okay, that's what we're doing.
That was accurate. Good job, Drew.